In this support video, we will be installing the range hood model FRHUC5255-30 series. The included parts should be the range hood, 2 hybrid filters with stainless steel handle, 2 antique brass handle, connecting collar for long tapping screws, and 2 wire connectors. The minimum distance above the range is 18 inches. 6 inches is needed for the air duct opening passage. Determine whether you have a roof or wall venting. Use round metal duct work with a diameter of 6 inch. Fasten all connections between pieces of duct with sheet metal screws and tape all joints. Cap the exterior of the duct with a wall or roof cap. Lift the range hood up under the cabinet to determine its final position. Mark the location of the 4 keyhole slots on the underside of the cabinet. Drill 4 pilot holes that you marked, then screw the 4 long tapping screws into the pilot holes. Do not tighten the screws all the way. Leave the screw heads about 1/4 inch from cabinet surface. The range hood comes with a ready-to-use power cable plug. You can also direct connect to your junction box. Cut the power cable at the proper length location. Pull out and strip the 3 electrical wires, exposing the bare wires. It's best that you test your connection and ensure that the range hood can power on. Place the connecting collar overlapping the exhaust air outlet. Tighten the connection. Seal the area with tape. Place the range hood into position. Push the range hood towards the wall and slide in the screws into the keyhole slots. Fasten the screws. Plug in your unit if no wiring is needed. Before connecting the range hood to your junction box, disconnect the power source. Make the proper connection to your junction box by attaching the wires. The black wire is the live wire. White is neutral and green is connecting to house ground wire. Remove any previous installation pieces if necessary. Attach the duct, using the collar to seal the connection and tape around area. From inside, on the right side, place back the electrical panel and screw into place. Place the filters into proper position. Turn on the power and verify all is working well. This completes the installation.